So here we have this morning a 2006 California. Control panels pixelated, I don't know if you can see that on there. But what we're going to do for this customer, we're just going to swap the control panel over. And whilst we do it, I'm just going to video the process just to help other folks out going forwards. Okay, to start with, just open the sunglasser container. There's two plastic prongs on the inside. Just get your fingers, pull them towards you, and that enables the first bit to come out of there. Okay, right, looking up, I don't know if you can see that inside there. Looking up onto the inside, you've got a plastic tang right in this corner and right in that corner there. You just need to get a pry tool in to undo the plastic tangs, then the whole control unit should come out. So there we go. Be better in post edit. So that's the one side. Oh, really easy. That's the other side. Get that in. Yep. So the control unit's out. Oh, it's been out. Have you had this one out before, Dick? Oh. Yep. So that's the control unit out there, as you can see. So you've got your three lots of bunches of wires on the back. So the main one has got a little purple handle on. Just push the tang in, pull the handle back, it says, there you go, and that'll release the main one. Just pull that, and as they pull that, it wants to come out. Oh, maybe not, it's a bit stiff, that one. Yep, there you go, that's that one out, and then the other two just literally pull out. Let's get that for the camera. There you go. So that's the old unit out. Yep. There you go. So that's what you're left with. So we'll grab the new unit, just reverse order. Little one in first. There you go. Nice click. Second one. Nice click. And then the third one will feed again back in with the handle. There you go. Make sure we switch on. There we go. As you can see, new unit's working. So we'll pop this back together. I should just push into there. There you go. Make sure the plastic tangs pop in. You can hear that as I do it. And the same again with the bottom one. Just making sure all the tangs have gone in. It's just making sure it don't catch anything as it goes back in. There you go. Hopefully got that through. Yeah. We'll be able to edit it somehow. There you go. So, just set this. We'll just give it a try while we're here. So, put that on. Oh, there we go. That looks like it's working. Just close that down. Check the fridge. Yep, fridge on. As you can see there. And just check the heater. Heater on. Just listen for that ticking in. Blocked. Might not work.